Just use the ball. And roll it and knock down the pins. Try it. Oh, I think you gotta do a little harder than that. Oh!
I make that on the pit. When we use the bats?
You want?
We use the bats?
You wanna?
Those are pins.
When I throw it? You throw it to me? We'll throw it?
Let's set the pins up again.
Yes.
Want to set them up again?
No! I don't want to melt it again.
All right. Merry Christmas. Oh, it's like baseball.
Yeah, that's my baseball. Where's my blue one? Where's my blue one? I've hit it in there. Where's the ball?
I think it went under the tree. We got one more present to open.
Open the present open?
You want to open it?
Yeah. Where's my notebook? No.
Here. For you.
And me.
This is from Daddy.
For Daddy. For Nicholas. For me.
Do you want to open it? Here. You can start here.
Mom,
I'll help you. I'll help you. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
It's for me.
What is it?
A tractor. A tractor, Mom.
Oh my gosh.
I got tractor.
Show Daddy.
I got tractor.
All right.
Say thank you, Daddy.